Cyber threats in 2025 are hitting harder than ever. This year, ransomware was involved in 44% of all breaches, and the global damage cost is projected to reach $57 billion. In the U.S., a single data breach now averages $10.22 million, the highest in the world. This Black Friday, Tsunati is unlocking exclusive access to our Cyber Resiliency Workshops, designed for organizations that can't afford to fall behind. Our experts walk your team through real ransomware scenarios, architecture gap analysis, and actionable recovery frameworks that reduce exposure and enhance readiness. Because in a world where attacks happen every 11 seconds, resiliency isn't optional, it's your lifeline. Black Friday savings, enterprise-level protection. Secure your workshop seat today.